Safety upgrades. Post-collision braking (PCB). This new system automatically applies the brakes after a collision to prevent secondary impacts. Honda Sensing 360 Select trims feature upgraded radar units at all four corners, enhancing lane change assist and intersection monitoring. Aviation industry. Pilot career advantages. For those looking at Pilot 2026 from a career perspective, the year marks a critical turning point for the aviation workforce. Peak demand, industry analysts project the largest gap between supply and demand for commercial pilots to occur in 2026, with a projected shortfall of roughly 24,000 pilots. Hiring surges. Major airlines, like American, Southwest, and Alaska Airlines, have announced significant hiring targets for 2026 to offset a wave of mandatory pilot retirements. Training incentives to combat the shortage. Flight academies are offering accelerated 9 to 18-month programs and stipends of up to $27,000 for those who commit to specific regional carriers by 2026. The 2027 Honda Pilot isn't officially released yet, but estimates place its starting price around $42,500 to $43,000. Following the refreshed 2026 model's launch, with a base price of $43,690, including destination, expect slight price increases for the 2027 model. Continuing the trend from recent years, with features like larger touchscreens and improved tech.